This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse, designed with your comfort in mind. The space-maximizing floor plan features a beautifully maintained interior and features a flow-through living area. Newer appliances enhance this gleaming, well-maintained kitchen, which contains laminate countertops and stainless appliances. The cozy master bedroom is the perfect place to dream and provides a private bathroom and a large closet. 2 additional bedrooms complete the home. The second bathroom offers a soaking tub, freestanding vanity and vinyl flooring. Well-maintained carpeting floors throughout. Oversized laundry room with front-loading washer and dryer. Relax in the easy-to-maintain lush lawn, complete with a privacy fence. A place to make wonderful memories. Located in a prime location in an established neighborhood. 5-minute drive to downtown Fredericksburg with restaurants, local shops, nightlife and mom-and-pop shops. All the conveniences you could possibly need are just minutes away. Easy access to I-95 and minutes from the VRE. Schedule your showing before it's gone.